Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hello everyone, looking at oil daily, weekly, and shorter term time frames. We've got a tightening range forming where we see a clear lower high on the daily and a clear higher low. The bulls are defending 49.50 support. Look at these daily candlesticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the last 8 have dipped below 49.50 but closed above that level, maintaining that psychological level of support. So I like looking at it whenever I see a pattern like this on the daily and I see it's tightening. I like to zoom in and get more details and look at it on a closer up time frame. So I'll look at the hourly here in just a moment, but first checking in on the weekly. Very key resistance, 51.67, 51.60, a lower high. Even though we finally got that bullish close over 50, we do still have a previous price level of resistance up at 51.67 that the bulls need to break. And if we break that 51.67 level, I could very easily see a 5 to 10% move to the upside on oil over the next couple of months, as that is a very key resistance level, and there's not much more up until $56, $58, $60 from here. So here's where I zoom in on the hourly and see very clear higher lows, 1, 2, 3, the most recent being 49.37, 49.50, and clear lower highs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the most recent being 50.58, and then up to 51.14. So if we pull back and break 49.37, it's a very clear break for the bears, and they will be in control. And if we see a break above 50.58, it will be a bullish break, but I won't be convinced on a very clear bullish break until we get above this 51.12 level. And that's just because we could break this level of 50.58, top out at 50.90, let's say, and then pull back, and we would still be in this clear lower high pattern, even though we broke one of the most recent highs. So that's just a visual for me. And here's looking at the 4-hour chart to get it a little bit more condensed and very clear. A couple lower highs, a couple higher lows, tightening ranges forming. If we don't get a clear break tomorrow, without a doubt, we're going to get a clear break on the inventory report. So it's going to favor the bulls just because of the overall trend. A slight favor for the bulls on the break of this pattern, but patient traders that aren't already in an oil trade are going to wait for the pattern to break rather than getting in and hoping that it breaks in their direction. So we'll stay on top of this tightening range, and we'll see if James's video, make sure and check his videos out. Let's see if he has the similar outlook, and I'm sure he will. And I will check back in tomorrow and see how it plays out. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.